Applications of Trigo, very important chapter. It comes for around, wait, where is it? If it's a case study, it will come for 4 marks, or if it's a problem question, 5 marks for sure. Okay, and short chapter, and you know your introduction to Trigo chapter, so it will be little bit of brushing up of that chapter also. Now, what I need to tell you is certain things you will, when we are doing this chapter, you will feel it's very easy. I can ignore. Please don't ignore. Whatever we are taking in the session, pay attention to each and every term that I'm going to say and the textbook questions. Uh, there is only one exercise in this chapter. If you alongside do two, three, four questions a day, it will finish off as we finish the chapter. Otherwise, it will be a backlog for you. And then I have to make you do previous year questions also. So I would suggest, like with me, you start doing your NCRT textbook questions also. Okay, don't pile it up for last. Already August is over, kids. September, October, November, December, 4 months will pass. You won't even realize because of your pre-boards, your midterm exams, and all your revisions. So now extend the amount of time you were giving to studies, increase it a bit, and start concentrating. So, in this chapter, basically, we are going to deal with heights and distances. Okay, so angle of elevation and depression is the two things that you will focus. By the term depression, what is depression? The term depression.
Lower.
Yeah, when somebody is low, they say it's, I'm depressed, right? 1 minute. Where is the camera? Kids, can you see my face? Okay, now when I'm looking anything straight, I am looking straight. Now, if I have to look at the sun, my eyelid will move up, right? I'm moving my eyelid up if I'm looking up, right? So, when I'm moving the eyelid, observe one thing. Observe, this is an eye and this is a straight line. I'm standing, okay? A person is standing. You're standing perpendicular to the ground. Your eye is parallel to the ground. Look at this. After that, if I'm looking something up, whenever you're looking, you're talking about angles also. First it is 0 degree, your angles, right? These are the two arms. Slightly this arm moves up little bit. So this is 1 degree. Then it moves up little bit more. Slowly this is 5 degree. Do you see that? Similarly, the moment my eyelid opens and I start looking up at something, my eye has made an angle. Do you see that? My eye has made an angle. So the object is here. Suppose it's a bird. How is it? I don't know. Suppose it's a bird. I'm looking at the bird. First, I was looking straight, opened my eyelid up, and I'm looking at the bird. So, this is my angle of elevation. Elevated, looking up. Elevation is upsides. Remember that. Okay? And after that, this is what is this line? This line is line of sight. What is it? Line of sight. I'm seeing something. Line of sight. Is it clear to everybody? Kids, is it clear to everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, sometimes what happens, the person, this is a tree. Okay, I'm giving you examples before we do the questions, so that you can relate to it. And on this tree there is a mango. Okay, now what happened? There's a guy standing here, and this guy is looking at your mango. He's looking at the mango, right? So what angle is it? It is angle of elevation. If it is like this, they will always tell you the height of the person. They will tell you the height of the person. So remember, this part will be equal to height of the person. Is that clear? And this line will be parallel to this. So these two will be equal. I'm just giving you instances right now. So this is angle of elevation, and this angle will be your theta whatever. Now I hope angle of elevation is clear to everybody. Since he is looking at the mango, that is why this is line of sight. Kids, this question comes as MCQ, okay? Which is line of sight in the triangle? Now I'm going to the next one. What is the next? Depression. Depression means this is a house, and here there is a window. Okay, there's a room, window. Now what happened? Somebody is standing here, and there's something fell down. Something is fallen down. So this guy first looks straight, always straight. Your eye makes a straight vision first. Your line of sight is straight. After that, you look down. You look down like this. Understand? So when you look down, you are making an angle of depression like this. This is your angle of depression. Most of the times kids get confused with the diagram. Diagram carries one mark. In this chapter, diagram is crucial. Diagram carries one mark. So now how will you do it? So they would have given you the height of the window from the ground as something. This line, is it parallel to this line? Can you tell me? Is it parallel? Yes, right? Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is parallel, this is alternate angle. So this both will be equal, and then you will start doing your calculations. Okay, I think little bit of understanding you would have got. You will get more as we move forward. Start writing the questions one by one. 100 root 3 meters high. There is a tower which is 100 root 3 meters high. Kids who do not read questions, please, in this chapter, don't ignore a single word. Again and again, I'm saying that take your time and read the question carefully, because your diagram will shape up the way you read. Find the angle of elevation if it's means towers top from a point 100 meter away from its foot. I want all of you to draw it yourself, and then I will draw, and then you tell me if there was much difference or you were okay. Everybody try to draw it. Even if the kids are watching the recording after the session, please try to draw it yourself first, and after that you check the answers. Yeah. So try to draw it yourself quickly. Let us see if you are able to draw correctly or not. Done? Guys, are you done? Nobody said. So many kids are there.
No,
Kids,
ma'am.
don't wait for Nived to answer or Tane to answer. You all start answering randomly. In the class, if you guys talk, no, seriously, you are gone. Seriously, I'm telling you. So this is the tower which is 100 root 3 high. Okay, I'm giving my tower a name. Fine, AB. Find the angle of elevation. Okay, so there is a point which is 100-meter away. Okay, so this is 100 meters. From here you have to find the angle of elevation. Were you able to draw like this, kids? If not, no
Yes,
worries.
ma'am.
If yes, then well done. If no, that is not a problem. So angle of elevation, when it's an unknown angle, we name it as theta. Right? Now, which sides are involved? Opposite side and the base. So what do you think? What theta ratio will help me?
Tan.
Tan. Exactly. And first, this diagram has to be explained. Okay, you will have to say, let AB be the tower of height. You all make sure you explain your diagram of height 100 root 3. Otherwise, when teachers correct it, they will ask you, what is the explanation of the diagram? Meters. And C be the point 100 meters away from A. Now what? Anything else? That's it, right? So this is done. After that, you can start doing, what is it? Tan theta equal to AB by AC. Did anybody get the answer? AB by AC. Tan theta
Root
equal
3.
to 100 root 3 by 100. 100 and 100 cancel. Tan theta equal to root 3. Which tan theta is root 3? Which ratio of tan is root
60.
3? 60.
60.
Yeah, therefore theta is equal to 60. You will write, hence the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, this is one of the easiest questions. And now let us do another question. Every question I want you to do the diagram yourself first, and afterwards we will do together. Okay, only then you will understand which word or what was skipped, why the mistake was made. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. Write the question, please, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Yeah, try to draw the diagram. This is a NCERT question as well as Cbse question which has come in your boards. Okay. The questions from textbook that we are completing, you don't have to repeat them. Then angle of elevation of the top of a tower. So that means there is a tower, right? Okay, this is your tower AB. Now what happened? Angle of elevation from where? Angle is formed from a particular point. From a point on the ground. So this is the point. Okay. And angle of elevation means you will have to make like this, right? Which is 30 meter away from the tower is 30 degree. So what is 30 meter? BC is 30 meter and this is 30 degree. Can you quickly find height of the tower, please? Do it fast. Yeah, we have angle, we have base, we are supposed to find height of the tower which is opposite side, isn't it? Did you guys do it? I'm sure some people would have done it. Just make sure you write steps. How much is tan 30? How much is tan 30?
1 by root 3.
1 by
1 by root
root
3.
3. Write it down. 1 by root 3 equal to h by 30. Isn't it? So now 30 comes here. Will we leave our answer as 30 by root 3? Will we leave our answer as 30 by root 3?
No, we should rationalize it.
Rationalize it. We will rationalize it up and down by root 3 and it becomes 30 root 3 by 3. So your answer is 10 root 3 meters. Specify that. Easy? Let me give you another question. Slowly, we will go to Right, next question, please. Is everybody understanding or anybody has doubt? Anybody has doubt?
I'm understood.
Anybody has doubt should let me know, because I'm slowly moving to hard questions. If everybody is clear with this, so it will be easier for me to make the move. Bridge across a river makes an angle of 45 degrees with the river bank. As shown in the figure. I'll give you the figure. You are supposed to understand from that, okay? If the length of the bridge across the river is 150 meters. This is not a textbook question. What is the width of the river? So what happened? A bridge across the river. There is a river. So which is the river? Let us make our river like this. This is a river, okay? A bridge across the river. So there is a bridge. This is our bridge. Makes an angle of 45 degrees with the river bank. So this is 45 degrees. If the length of the bridge is 150, that means this is 150. What is width of the river? Think and do it, kids. Think and do it. You have to find the width. So it's up to you how you will do it. I want you all to think properly. Yes.
Can you explain?
Sure. So everybody's chance over. Now let me explain. See, we have 45-degree here and the length of the bridge they gave. Length of the bridge is always perpendicular, isn't it? So no.
Yes, ma'am.
No, not length. What is it? The bridge across, sorry, it is slanting. Across, wait. The bridge across a river makes an angle of this much. Oh, this part is 150 because this is making 145 degree. Okay, fine. If the and yeah, now if we have to find the width of the river, this is the width, right? The river is like this is length of the river and this is width of the river. So width we have to find. Now let me use
So
another.
is the hypotenuse 150?
Hypotenuse is 150. Hypotenuse is 150. This one. So I have to make a line perpendicular here because there is no perpendicular to find the width of the river. So now we have 150, this is x and this is 45. Figure it out. Became clear now. Figure it out, guys, and tell me what is width of the river. What is width of the river? Has anybody found it?
Is it 75 root 2?
75 root 2 is absolutely correct. Did everybody get it?
Ma'am, can you explain?
Okay. See, ma, this is the right angle triangle, no? Whenever you are looking the distance between two objects, it has to be a perpendicular. So this is the perpendicular. And you already know this bridge is making 45 degrees with the river that is given to you in the diagram. So when I'm looking the width, this line is perpendicular. So if my triangle is ABC, AC is the hypotenuse and I have degree. I have to find BC. BC is what? Perpendicular and this is opposite side and hypotenuse are involved. So can I take sine 45? Sine
Yes, ma'am.
45 is opposite side by hypotenuse. So BC by AC, right? So how much is sine 45? 1 by root 2 is equal to BC by 150. That's it. So 150 by root 2 up and down you'll multiply by root 2. Then you will get 75 root 2 answer.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Meter away from Ottawa. Yeah. Now draw it yourself and do it. Draw the diagram and do it. Ask if you have doubt. Try to draw it and then see how I'm drawing. Yes, guys, once you're done, let me know. Done trying out?
Almost, ma'am.
Good. Shall I? If you're done?
I got height of tower as 30 meters.
Okay. Okay, fine. I wanted you to draw first. Okay. No problem if you're done with it. Um, 1 minute. Yeah. An observer who is 1.5 meter tall. Okay. This is my observer. 1.5 meter tall. He is 28.5 meters away from a tower. Okay. He is away from a tower. So this is the tower. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from her eyes is 45. But how will I make it a triangle now? I will have to draw a parallel line. Parallel line means this also will be 28.5. And now this angle is 45. What information do we have about the tower? Only one information, that this is 1.5. So this also will be 1.5. So what about this? That will be 1.5 plus h is the whole thing. Or you can take it as h. You can take it as h. Is that correct? But we need to use 1.5. So I would make the entire height of the tower as h. So this will become h minus 1.5. Now, this is the triangle I'm talking about. People who have not done it can do it now. Yes? Did you get it? How to do, guys? Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just do it. If anybody has not got, please see. Tan 45. This one. Toa. Opposite side, which is AE by ED. Tan 45 is 1. AE is how much? How much is AE? Tell me. We don't know, right? AE by ED. But it's very super easy because of the tan. You can write ED here. as tan 45 is 1, you can say ED is equal to AE. Now, how much is AE? 28 point AE and ED. ED is 28.5. So automatically your AE becomes 28.5. Correct? So what is the height of your tower? 28.5 plus 1.5, which is 30 meters. Is that okay? Did you all get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us see if there is any good question. An electrician had to repair. This is that will make you the question. No. Chalo, let us do this. Next question. An electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height. I hope all questions kids are doing it and trying it themselves also, because this is very important chapter, kids, and we won't have time to revisit all these. We have to do proper revision. So please pay attention. Read, sometimes it's a huge story, so you might feel, why should I read this much? But read properly and do. Inclined. Required position. This is the question. Now, how to do? Do it fast, fast. Done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? Doubt? Any doubt? No? Do it then. Done? No one did?
I'm almost done.
Almost, okay. Anybody has doubt with the diagram?
Can you explain the diagram?
Okay. Let us read it one by one. Actually, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 4 meter. Okay. This is your electric pole. Okay. Hmm. And the height of your pole is 4 meters. Okay. He needs to reach to a point 1.3 below the top of the pole. So where should I mark 1.3? Tell me. It's okay. Whatever it is, wrong or right, don't worry. Just guide me. How will I
Below the
mark?
pole.
Hmm?
Below the pole.
So is it like you want to say from here to here 1.3? Do you want to say
Yeah.
that? Yeah. So this is the height of the pole, and from the top, one at 1.3 distance, this guy has to stop here. So if this is 1.3, how much will be this? 4 minus 1.3? Is it 2.7? Now what happened? What should be the length of the ladder that he should use, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal, that means here is the horizontal. He is inclining a ladder to this particular point. Then only he can stand and work. It's inclined at a 60-degree angle. Okay. What do they have to find? Oh, you have to find this part. See, is it easy now? Try it. Try it, kids. Fast, fast. I did the diagram for you.
I got in a fraction.
What is it?
I got 9 root 3 by 5.
Perfectly correct.
Okay, ma'am.
That is perfectly correct. See, always see what is given. Angle is given and this side is given, which is opposite. What do you have to find? Hypotenuse. So which ratio involves all of them? You can say sine theta is equal to CB by CD. Correct? Sine theta, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. 2.7 by DC, and you can figure it out, isn't it? 2 into 14 ka 1, 5.4 by root 3. Then you will just rationalize it. But this will find only this much. You will have to, how much is it? 5.4 root 3 by 3. That's your answer. If I simplify it, it will become 1.8 root 3. That's also fine. Okay, that was the answer for the previous one. Now foot of the tower and all, read properly. The diagram of this one is little different from what you did till now. Read and do it properly. Has anybody done this chapter in school?
No, mom.
Okay, so this is all you will get second round in school also. Not hard. Try to draw the diagram properly. You will get it, okay? Yeah. Read and do. Yes. Once done, let me know. Yes.
Mom, for depth of tongue, do we just find the height of it?
Hmm?
For finding depth of the tongue, do we just find the height of it?
Tank. Yeah. So just check the diagram, okay? Check the diagram. Uh, from a point, okay. From a point on the ground 40 meter away from the foot of a tower. This is the tower. 40 meter away from foot of the tower. This is ABC. Okay, fine. Now what? The angle of elevation at the top of the tower is 30. So I'm looking at the top of the tower. This is 30 degree. Now what happened? The angle of elevation at the top of a water tank which is on top of the tower. So this is my water tank D. Now when I'm looking at D, I'm making an angle of how much? 45 degree. Correct? 45 degree. Whenever 45 part is there, no, try to do that first. Now what is it? This is height of my tower, and sorry, this is height of my tank, and this is height of my tower. Now try to work it out. Yes. Were you able to find out the height? Tell
Ma'am, can you
me.
do it?
Hmm?
Ma'am, can you do it?
Not getting. First, there is 45 degrees, so I will take triangle ABD. If I take triangle ABD, 45 degree, what sides are involved? BD is there and AB is there. Opposite side and this thing. So I say tan 45 is equal to BD by AB. Tan 45 is 1. So what do I get from this? I get BD equal to AD. Is that correct? So if BD is equal to AB means, what is it? BD is how much? H1 plus H2? H1 plus H2 is equal to 40. Correct? So I got this whole thing is 40. Okay, fine. Now what happened? I'm going to the second triangle. What is my second triangle? ABC. Let me come here. Triangle ABC. Tell me, what should I do? What should I write? You guys prompt. Give me the prompts. Come on, come on. Yeah.
Tan 30 is
Tan 30 equal to H2, right?
yes,
BC
ma'am.
by AB, H2 by AB. Right? How much is tan 30? 1 by,
1 by root 3.
yeah, H by AB is 40. So that is 40 by root 3 equal to H2. It was H2. Done? Is that clear? Till here. Now we can make it as 40 root 3 by 3 is H2. Okay. So what's H1? H1 equal to 40 minus 40 root 3 by 3. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So instead of making the calculation hard, what we can do in the question, they did not give the value of root 3, but root 3 is how much? 1.732. So 40 into 1.732 by 3 we can do. How much it will be? 17, 5, 2, 7. So 2, 7. That's okay. Into 40. And 0.577. It will be somewhere around 24.2. Is that correct? 24.2. That is because I took 1.732. Some people take only 1.73. It depends. So now how much is that? 40 minus 24.2 is 15.8. We can go with that. Okay? 23.09 it will be if we do it properly. 40 into 1.732 divided by 3. So 40 into 1.732 is 69.28 by 3. 2, 3, 0, right? 9. 23.9. Yeah, that would make sense. 23.9 we will take. 09. And then let us subtract. 40 minus 23.09. 16.91 is your, what is this H1? Depth of your tank. And what is height of your tower? That we got here as 23.09. This is height of the tower and this is depth of the tank. Is that okay? Now okay? Because when you have to find the height, either you will leave it at 40 minus 40 root 3 by 3, or you will have to substitute the value of 1.732 and figure it out. Because you all know the value of root 2 and root 3, they will expect you to figure it out like that. Okay? Clear little bit?
Yes, ma'am.
How many questions have we completed? How many questions have we done?
5.
5. Okay. We'll do one more and close today's session. Otherwise, too much will be difficult. It's a new chapter, new concept. So let's go little slow. Only one exercise is there. So slowly we will go towards the difficult one. First, you understand everything related to elevation, and then only we will start with depression. Okay. Do this question. So, till now, what did you find difficult in this chapter? See, it is not that hard, you can say that, but still there is some challenge. What do you think is challenging in this chapter? Come on. As it's a new chapter, I'm asking. Darren, what do you think is challenging?
Ma'am, not that much. Nothing.
What? What did you say?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing is challenging. It's so good, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Hadi, how about you?
Mom, it's good.
Nothing challenging. Yes,
Mom, I have a doubt. Mom, how do you find whether you have to use tan or sign?
that you will look at what is given and which sides are involved. Looking at
Okay, mom.
that, right? That is up to
Okay,
you.
mom.
You will have to figure out if opposite side and adjacent side are involved. What can you go for?
Then you'll have to use tan.
Yeah, when hypotenuse and adjacent is involved.
Sign. Sorry, not sign, cos.
Ah, so like that you will have to think. So here
Okay, mom.
only part challenging is making diagrams. Do this
Okay, mom.
question. Did you all draw the diagram properly?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a tree. This is your tree. What happened? A part of the tree broke. Okay, AB was the tree. But from here, the tree broke. So it fell on the ground like this. So do you feel that this part and this part will be equal? Because this is the thing which fell. Did you understand? So if this is x, this also will be x. Now what is it? It is making an angle of 30 degree at a distance of 30. So this is also 30. Is that okay? Did you understand that part? Now you have to
Yes,
find
ma'am.
the height of the whole tree. So how will you find the height of the tree? Figure it out quickly. Speed up, speed up. Tell me kids, what is the answer coming up?
Ma'am, is it 30 to 3 meters?
30 root?
3.
Yeah. So how are we doing it? Anybody got it?
It's so cool in here and it's so nice.
Look at this triangle first. If you look at this, I need to find BD. So if I say tan 30, can I say tan 30 is equal to BD by CB? Can I say that? Kids, speed up, please say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Is everybody understanding why only one or two kids responding? Guys, are you understanding or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tan 30,
Yes, ma'am.
good. 1 by root 3 equal to BD by 30. Yeah, 30. So we are getting BD as BD is 30 by root 3. Okay, which means root 3 we will multiply up and down. So we will get 10 root 3, isn't it? 10 root 3 because it will become 30 root 3 by 3 and then 10 root 3 for BD. Okay, 10 root 3. I am sure few kids would definitely have got this. Now what is the challenge? The challenge is to find x. So what can I use? I can use hypotenuse, and opposite side, or I can use hypotenuse and base, right? Which one you want me to use?
Ma'am, can't you also use Pythagoras?
Oh yeah, you can do Pythagoras theorem also. Yes, you can use Pythagoras theorem also, no problem. So 30 square plus 10 root 3 whole square is equal to CD square. So that is 900 plus 100 into 3, which is 300, equal to CD square. 1200 equal to CD square. So that's what he said. CD is equal to 30 root 3. You can do like this also. Okay. Then if you add both of them, CD is equal to 20 root 3 and you will add these two, so you will get 30 root 3. That is your final answer because 20 root 3 is only this part. That means this part of the tree is 20 root 3. You add 20 root 3 and 10 root 3, you will get the whole height as 30 root 3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are not doing much till this only. Now, tomorrow I have a hospital appointment, so I'm not very sure about the class. But please practice properly, kids. Okay, and so that when we proceed, you don't get stuck. Please practice. We have not done enough, too many questions also. You don't have to write down the questions also. Just read it and try to do again. See if you're able to make the diagram. See if you're able to come up with what ratio you have to use. That's it. Okay, don't do too much also because we will be doing it in the next class. Okay.